Today we're going to see what printing plate is best suited for this printer. Let's check out BQ Panda cryogrip print plates. Okay, today we're going to try out some plates I got through Biqu. We have the cryogrip Glacier Pro, and here we have the Frostbite. Now right out of the gate, what I wanted to say about these two is one of them is compatible with the X1 Carbon, which is this one. You can get the sticker for it. Otherwise, I can't read that one here. So anyways, let's see the performance of these two plates. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to load this Glacier plate, and let's see what we got. Alright, so I'm just going to load this name coin I have here. I'm going to turn this to Cool Plate Super Track, and then we're going to print this, and we're going to see what we get. Okay, now we're going to put the Frostbite plate in there, and let's see what that does. Another thing I wanted you to notice here was the bed temperature. Look at how it's at minimal degrees. Let's have the look at the first layer on the Glacier. It looks just beautiful. Nothing coming up, no glue, nothing unsticking. Looks absolutely wonderful. Also, as you can see, there's no glue added to these plates. They're not recommended to put glue on these plates. So just keep them bare, and let's see what the result we'll get. It is also recommended to not use alcohol when washing these plates. Please only use soap and water. Only use soap and water, which is recommended by manufacturing standards. I have also decided to throw in your standard PEI plate, which I wash with acetone and I wash with alcohol. Okay, so we got our three plates here. We got our Glacier, Frostbite, and this is your standard PEI plate. So the standard PEI plate, this is cooled down. Actually had a little bit of stickiness to it. We'll keep him on. Okay, let's see the stickiness on that. That kind of came right off. Okay. There we go for that. And this kind of seems to come right off, which I'm not used to. Alright. So here's the result of the fine. You can see the filament wasn't dried properly. So not really accurate, but you can see the shine and the gleam come from the Frostbite. The Glacier is more of a matte look, and then here you can see the textured PEI, which is, you know, still my favorite. But for the stickiest stuff, I'd stick with this guy here. Definitely looks like Frostbite, Glacier, then PEI for adhesion. But the best look still is the PEI. I mean, that's really nice. I mean, that's definitely really nice. The Frostbite, and I have used that if I want a shiny finish. Thank you for the video. Watching the video, give a thumbs up. Write stuff in the comment if you want to. Take it easy.